Have you ever gazed into the night sky and wondered what lies beyond our reach in the farthest corners of the universe? Our understanding of the cosmos is akin to a symphony of mysteries, each note a distant star, each chord a galaxy far, far away. Space telescopes, like the maestros of this grand orchestra, have been instrumental in unraveling these enigmas. One such maestro, the Hubble Space Telescope, has been pivotal in expanding our cosmic horizons, enabling us to witness the birth and death of stars, observe galaxies billions of light years away, and even detect dark matter. Yet we've only just begun to scratch the surface of the cosmic symphony. As we look to the future, there are several proposed space telescopes that could revolutionize our view of the universe. First on our list is the Large UV Optical Infrared Surveyor, or LUVOIR. This proposed space telescope is colossal, dwarfing even the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes. LUVOIR promises to capture light from a wide spectrum, ranging from ultraviolet to infrared. This broad light detection range could potentially reveal fascinating insights about the universe. One of the most exciting features of LUVOIR is its potential to detect signs of life on distant planets. This telescope could help us answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? But LUVOIR's capabilities don't stop there. This telescope has the potential to observe galaxies in their earliest stages, offering us a glimpse into the universe's infancy. Imagine seeing a galaxy as it was just being formed billions of years ago. That's the kind of perspective LUVOIR could provide. With LUVOIR, we could observe the universe as it was billions of years ago. Next up is the Habitable Exoplanet Observatory, or HabEx. This proposed space telescope is a vision of the future that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. The primary mission of HabEx is to directly image Earth-size exoplanets, an ambitious goal that pushes the boundaries of what is technologically possible. What sets HabEx apart is its ability to detect signs of habitability and life on these distant worlds. Imagine for a moment discovering an exoplanet with an atmosphere similar to Earth's, or even detecting the spectral signature of life itself. This isn't just a dream, but a real possibility with HabEx. The implications for astrobiology and our search for life beyond Earth are immense. With HabEx, we could start answering some of the most profound questions about our place in the universe. Are we alone? Is there life on other planets? HabEx could be our best chance yet at finding life elsewhere in the universe. Third on our list is the Origins Space Telescope. The Origins is much more than just a space telescope. It is a time machine capable of peering billions of years into the past, to an era when the universe was just a newborn. This remarkable instrument will allow us to study the early universe in unprecedented detail. Imagine being able to observe the formation of galaxies, witnessing the cosmic ballet of stars and planets being born, and tracing the intricate web of dark matter that underpins the structure of the universe. That's the promise of the Origins Space Telescope. But the Origins is not just about studying the distant past. It's also about understanding the present and predicting the future. It will be equipped with cutting-edge instruments capable of studying water and other organic molecules in galaxies across cosmic time. This will provide us with vital clues about the conditions necessary for life as we know it to exist. The Origins will detect the faintest whispers of light from the most distant galaxies, allowing us to study the chemical composition of these galaxies and the interstellar medium that fills the space between them. This will provide us with a unique insight into the cosmic cycle of star and planet formation, and the role of water and organic molecules in this process. We'll also be able to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in our own galaxy, searching for signs of life in the form of biosignature gases. The Origins will be like a superpowered nose in space, sniffing out these gases and helping us to answer one of the most profound questions of all. Are we alone in the universe? The Origins Space Telescope represents a bold step into the future, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and our technological capabilities. It's an exciting time to be a space enthusiast as we stand on the brink of a new era of discovery. Origins could shed light on some of the greatest mysteries of the universe, from the origins of galaxies to the possibilities for life. Last but not least is the Lynx X-ray Observatory. This ambitious project is a testament to our unquenchable thirst for understanding the universe. Lynx, with its advanced technology, is designed to observe high-energy events such as supernovae, black holes, and neutron stars. These are the universe's most powerful and mysterious phenomena, holding keys to our understanding of space and time. But Lynx's capabilities don't stop there. It's also expected to shed light on the early universe and the formation of galaxies. Imagine being able to glance back in time to the very dawn of the universe, witnessing the birth of the galaxies we see today. That's the kind of power Lynx could provide. As we probe further into the cosmos, the Lynx X-ray Observatory stands as a beacon of hope and promise for our quest to comprehend the universe. With Lynx, we could observe some of the most powerful events in the universe and uncover the secrets of the early universe. These proposed space telescopes represent the future of space exploration. The large UV optical infrared surveyor, or LUVOIR, is set to redefine our understanding of the universe by studying a wide range of celestial phenomena, from the formation of galaxies to the atmospheres of exoplanets. Next, the Habitable Exoplanet Observatory, or HabEx, promises to search for signs of life on distant worlds, potentially answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone? The Origins Space Telescope, simply known as Origins, aims to provide unprecedented insight into the formation of stars, galaxies, and planetary systems. And finally, the Lynx X-ray Observatory, or Lynx, aspires to see the universe in a new light by observing high-energy phenomena like black holes and neutron stars. As we contemplate these ambitious projects, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and anticipation at the possibilities for scientific discovery and our understanding of the universe. As we gaze into the night sky, we can only imagine what these future telescopes will reveal. The universe, after all, is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered.